Welcome back, children. You must have done your exams well and seen your answer sheets. How honestly you did that, Without wasting time, I'm starting with your next topic, that is application of integrals. Application of integrals. Now, what we are going to learn in this is areas under the curves. You know the many formulas, area of rectangle L into B geometrically, square is side square, area of circle is pi r square, then you have area of trapezium half B1 plus B2 into H, and so on. There are many you have already done. Now the same way we are going to learn with integration. How to learn? Suppose there is a curve and I want to find its area. This is a curve. You have done area limit as a sum. We are going to use that here. This is y, this is x, and this is the curve under x-axis. I have to find this whole area. If you know that geometry, you know this is a perpendicular, this is a perpendicular, and it becomes a trapezium because these two sides are parallel. But I have to calculate it through integration, so that limit as a sum comes into being. This is what we used to do the whole figure. We used to divide in small strips and find a small area and then add them up. This small strip here is, this is dx, and this curve say is y equals to fx. So this is my y coordinate, and this area will be, dA, small area will be y into dx. Now if I have to find area from x equals to a to x equals to b, this whole area, naturally area I have to calculate. I will integrate it from a to b. So area of all such strips will be together, I will get it. So this is how the basic idea is, this is area when I integrate it a to b, and this whatever my value of y is, I will integrate and get it. Now the same can be like this also. This is x, this is y. My curve could be like this also. Now how to calculate? Okay, if you know, I can form strip here also, small strip, and this small strip, this time I call it dy, and this is my x coordinate. So I can again find this area of the strip and then integrate it for the whole figure from a to b. So this will be dA, integration a to b will be x into dy, and I will get this area A. Right? I'm just giving you the basic idea of what is there in this chapter. How we are going to do. Means we could calculate along x-axis also, we could calculate along y-axis also. But if my curve is something like this, it's on negative side, so one thing is clear. Here my y is negative. Suppose I take any strip, arbitrary strip anywhere. So this is my dx and this is my y. So when I have to calculate this area from a to b this time, so it will be dA a to b is equals to minus y into dx. But the question is, area can never be negative. So what we do is we will take its numerical value, that is modulus. Okay. So this is just what is there in the chapter. So integration basically calculates the area under the curves. We can prove it also. When Upma ma'am taught you, she has taken a very good example somewhere to show you how integration under curves, integration gives you the area under the curves. Okay, you go back to those videos, you will understand how this integration actually calculates this whole area, right? I can calculate it if you know this coordinate and this coordinate, and as you calculate it, I can actually take, but it is already done by her, so you can look back for it. In case you don't get it, then get back to me. So, or to your teacher. So, how do we calculate with, I am taking one very common example which you have, and this is, I should not have drawn it actually. This is the equation. This is the equation of a circle whose origin is at the center. We know this circle is symmetric to origin. Now why did I say that I should not have drawn? Because in paper you will not be given this circle. You will be given only this equation and you will have to see what figure you have to form. It can be ellipse, it can be parabola. The point is you should be very clear with the conic section. If you are not clear with your conic section, half of the chapter you will not be able to do. It's integration plus conic section, both should be very clear to you in this chapter, for doing this chapter. Chalo, let's take this example. We know that it is symmetric to origin. ठीक है, तो सारा एरिया निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. We can just calculate this part of the circle. This is we know that its radius is a and this point is a comma 0 and this is 0 comma 0. If I calculate just this area, I can multiply it by 4 and get the whole area. Okay, let's see. I said integration can calculate the area. This is a very good example because you know its formula. I just integrate this. Suppose I take any strip over here. Every time we will not do it. This is just for understanding. I am making it every time. Just for your understanding. This is dx and this is my y. And say dA from 0 to a this time. A is 0 and b is a. Is y into dx and its integration also 0 to a. So this will become my area. Now where is this y? I will get from here. Y square is equals to a square minus x square. So y is equals to under the root and plus minus. But here my y is positive. So I am going to take a square minus x square, its integration and dx. This is the value of y I have put here and this is 0 to a. Okay. I'll stop here and integrate it in the next video. Fine.